I'm ready. First possession, blue.
Kordapon sa iyo, sa ganang binuangan siya nga mag-free throw.
Raymond. Same ball. Jiffy, first shot from three, no good. Rebounded by Wyatt. Wyatt to Jiffy, turnover, steal by Whip. First basket by Whip to 0. YPDL takes the lead. Romero, pass to Wyatt. Wyatt guarded by 2, and a pass by Wyatt to Jiffy for 2. It's a 5-goal game, 2 up. Joel for 3, strong. Last touch by Blue. Ball goes to red. 2-2 is the score. Raymond. Jeffrey jumper, too strong. Wyatt with a rebound, but it was tapped. Stolen by Aris. York against 3. Turnover, stolen by Romero. Wyatt lays it up for 2. Blocked by Manalo. Arnell to Joel. Jumper by Alvin. Good. Steal. Ahead to Romeo. Lays it up. It's a 6-2 score. 4-point lead for Chet Belmar. By Raymond. Assist. 6-2. Aris. Pass to lost by Blue. Turnover again. Steal by Yoke. Alright, that's why it's first personal, number 57. First personal, first team foul on Chet Belmar. 6-2 is the score. 7 minutes, 10 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Joel in out. Last touch by Red. Ball remains with YPBL. Alice to Alvin. Alvin guarded by Manalo. Joel to Alvin. To Arnell. Arnell using the left hand. No good. Wyatt controls the ball. Jiffy takes the close, but he got fouled by number 7, Joel. First personal on Joel, first team foul. 52, okay, correction. My bad. Alice foul. Pareho kasi 7 eh, sorry ah. Foul niya na yan eh, Alice. First personal on Alice, first team foul on YPBL. Ball goes to Blue. Score still remains at 6-2 with 6 minutes to go in the first quarter. Joel for 3. Nope. Ball remains with YPBL, last touch by Wyatt. Cyan. For the pass by Will, but missed by Arnell. Recovered by Alvin, 2 points. 6-4, 2-point lead for YPB, or Chet Belmar. It's a too high pass.
Sub!
He's just 5'10" and the 6'10". Turnover, David. pass. Okay, next one, the substitution. Apat sa PBL. Tatlo sa, apat din sa Chet. Oh no, tatlo. Is that good? Yeah, tatlo. Jeffrey. Jiffy, short, rebound by Jiffy, follows it up, no? Back to Jeffrey. Jonas to Jiffy. Jiffy drives, using the glass, no good. Rebounded by, steal by Jiffy, fakes. Using the glass, right on the inside one. Last touch by Red.
Blue ball, blue ball.
Blue ball. 4 minutes, 5 minutes to go in the first quarter. Ana. Wala na raw sa Google. Nasa Texas ka lang. Kanina pa ba yun? Almost a turnover, I go to back. Nope. Blue, remains blue. That's into a foul. EJ, rebounding. Zabi ko. Alvin for 3. Oh. Rebound by Alvin. That whistle sounds like a traveling sayang. He's traveling right now. Yes, Manalo, jumper 2 points. Jiffy with an assist to Ryan with a jumper. Inbound by Alvin, 2 minutes 35 remaining. Tumak, to Argel. One shot, good. Ryan with the rebound, Jonas bounce pass to Jeffrey. Recovers the fumble. Jeffrey setting it up, pass to Jonas with a reverse layup. Assist from Jeffrey. Jonas for number 37. A silent assassin. And for the score, 10 by 6. Alvin to Zaldi to Crack. Back to Alvin. Alvin follows his way. Yes. And one foul on Manalo, number 59. That's his first personal. Second team foul on Chet. Bonus shot for Alvin. Masarap.
Balik ka ng jersey.
Ryan with the rebound.
Take your guy!
Manalo rebounds it. Jeffrey. Looking for Jimmy to Jonas. Jonas back to Jeffrey. To Jimmy first. Drive to Jeffrey. 3 for Jonas. Steal. Oh no, not steal. But Zaldi, wow, what a pass by Zaldi Will. But he got fouled by Jeffrey. First personal on Jeffrey, 13th foul on Chet. 35 seconds to go. First free throw by Arguel, no good.
Marami ng sisig.
Second free throw by Igwell, counted. And 7 is the score, checked by 3. 17 seconds remaining. Ryan against EJ. Ryan spins. Side shot. Yes.
Watch it!
12-7. Igwell. Basket. That's the end of the first quarter. Ball possession is red. Next possession is red. Ball possession. Red. Blow first possession. Ball goes red. Come on, this is not a timeout. Red. Turn on. Defense. Come on. Turn on the clock. Raymond, short, rebounded by Harris. Igwell, bounce pass, steal by Romel. Counter steal by Igwell. Igwell spins. Romel to Jetboy for 3, strong. Dapat napasok yata ng 3, ha? Wala pang 12-7, 9 minutes 80 so in the second quarter. Harris attacks using the glass, rebounds in, quick shot. Wow! What an aggressive move by Harris. Rebound niya, shot niya, 2 points. Jetboy for 3, there is the first 3 points from the ball game. Joel. Iris hesitates. Bounce pass to Joel. 15-12. And the 3-point lead by Chet Delmar. Raymond. He's getting a pick by his teammate. Romel. To Jetboy. Cut by Ryan. Ball possession, Blue. Good defense by Blue. Next possession will be red. Nope. Joel, Darius, bounce pass. The shot was slow, rebounded by Romel. Number 28. To Raymond. Sayang yung stick ni Romel. Layup by Emerson. All net. That's literally all net. No waiting.
Akala ko ako lang yung malas.
15-12, 3-point lead. Manalo, travel.
Ayun, tumawag din. Narinig ako text siya.
Turnover by Red.
Antik si pero
Text si
EJ, back to Igwell. Joel for 3. Ayun pa rin. Long rebound by York. York setting it up. Pass to Igwell. Open is Joel for 3. Second pass. Through by Joel. It's a tie. 15-15. With 6 minutes 5 remaining. 7.
parang wala pa yun.
15 up. Wala pa. I will. To EJ protected by Wyatt. To I will. Two points, alright. Romel for 3. Yes, it's a good shot. 3 points for Romel. Romel leads for set 18-17 with 5:22 remaining. Next dead ball will be a substitution. Look for 3. Yes. Nice. 20-18. Jekyll against I will. Steal by you. You got fouled by Ryan. Substitution. Ryan. Second personal on Manalo. First team foul on Chen. Let's go. Clock is running. Inalikan ba lahat? Okay.
Kulang pa ng pito.
Salvi for 3. Yes! Salvi po, pirma ng kontrata. 23-8, 5-point lead for YPBL. Oh, sayang. Salvi ko, pasa kilo. Tomak. To Alvin, power move. Pass to Mac. It's strong. No, hold on by Salvi. Tumok, back to pinasarap for 3. Hindi pumasok. Oh, rebound by Mac. Salvi ko. Raymond, pass to Romel. Relax now, relax. Setting up the play is Romel. To Jiffy. Pinato na lang for 2. 22-20. Walang kaya for effort eh. 3-point lead by YPBL. 3 minutes to go in the first half. Yoke versus Jonas. Pass to Crack Biscuit to Arnel. Nope, sayang. Raymond going to rebound, head pass to Ray. Ang galing ng Salvi ko.
Parang rabbit ah.
Salvi ko.
Lakay!
Baka naman. Oh, sayang.
Maraming pulis ngayon kasi baka magwala sila kayo. Ay, wala si Kuya Percy. Busy, baka si Jata si Manong Percy.
One time out each for
Ako na lang yung mag-referee, traveling kayo lahat. Dati kami nagre-referee yung sa Bisdak eh. Kami yung nagre-referee dati.
Second half.
Sige na. Baliktad na.
Wala pa.
Wala pa ba? May 2 minutes pa pala.
Jiffy, jumper, strong, rebound by Arnel.
Marami kayo.
Violation.
Tao nyo!
Romel versus Arnel. Jiffy. Oh,
sabon ah.
Oo, dikit na eh. Madugo to, madugo.
Raymond. Before teammate. Pass it to Jiffy. Jiffy got fouled by number 8.
Easy na naman tayo sa, ano, sa open.
First personal, first
na naman tayo
foul
maging
on
busy.
YPBL.
Kulang pa ba tayo ng player?
Ano lang, ano na yung nakamahid to.
Raymond to
Hindi,
Jiffy.
kulang pa ba yung player?
Jiffy almost muzzled trouble.
Pahit na.
Triple team score by Aldrin. Oh, so sabi ni Tera, hindi na ma-handle. Joe. Nagyok pa lang.
Uy!
Last by back to Jiffy. Jiffy side steps.
Kala niyo, pasok na yun eh. Pero ano, kumulog eh.
Ulog.
Kulang ng ano eh.
Let's jump sa first personal, second
Medyo
personal,
doon bounce sa
second
loob.
personal on check. Timeout.
Ano bang reklamo dyan?
No more timeouts.
Sayang yun lang.
Tignan mo ngumiti siya, sinabi ko, paano kung traveling nabitawan ko yung bola ka? Pinahabol ko yung bola.
Biling! Makinig ka!
Mainit ang lawan.
Makinig ka! Makinig!
Mainit ang lawan nito.
Yung, ikaw mag-entry pass. Ikaw mag-entry pass. Yan ikaw. Arren!
Yup, tumak.
Wait!
Back. Alvin strong to the rebound. To Jonas. To Raymond. Raymond. Bounce pass to Jiffy. Reverse. Yes, so far. 7 seconds to go. Yes! And
And one!
Now foul on John number
Yun pala yung plano.
John's second personal.
Yung plano, nasa huli pala. Ay, wait.
Oh, dapat sa John. Yo! Bonus shot is good. The score is 26-22.
White, sino sa'yo? Miyan mo to.
Raymond. To Ryan.
Travel!
Traveling.
Pinili ko kaya naman to eh. Malaki na rin yan.
Maganda yan. Maganda na sapatos yan. Ang ano yan, yung traction yan. Yan yung ginagamit ko. Yan yung ginagamit ko.
Arnel.
Malaki daw sa kanya.
Malaki sa kanya? Maganda yung traction yan.
Joel Harris. Drives to the basket. He got what?
Tapos yung traction yan, maganda.
Blocking foul on Ryan, and that's Ryan's third personal.
Yan yung ginagamit ko lakay.
Number 3, third personal. First team foul.
Yung swela, nandun yung red.
Gusto mo ng red?
Hindi, blue nga yung nalagay ko.
Harris.
Iksabay!
Yes! Made by Harris. Taking advantage of
Tama!
28-22, 6-point lead for YTBL. Jiffy. Spins. He got fouled by number 52, Harris. Harris, second personal. First team foul on YTBL. 2 shots for Jiffy.
Saya pa na siya to?
Dili.
First basket is good.
Wala, classmate ni Bert.
28-23, 5-point lead, YTBL. Good. sayang, dalawa sila na doon.
Ay, travel!
Foul.
Uy! Foul first.
Oh, foul on number 73, Jiffy.
Pag na nga ito, di yung ka mo tindog, i-dribble ni mo. Lampay yung tulak. Tawagin, kasi tawagin ka namin sa'yo.
First personal on Jiffy.
Down na nung foul.
Second team foul on Ted Belmar. Arnell to Aldrin. Arnell takes her three. Jiffy with a rebound. Outlet to Wyatt Bryant. Well blocked by Aldrin. Jiffy. Yes, escapes for two. Moved by Jiffy. Prelude 25. Just a 3-point lead for YPDL, Arnell. Aldrin. Jumper. Short. Rebound by Raymond. Raymond to Jiffy. Oh, he got fouled by number 7, Joel. First personal on Joel. Second team foul on YPDL. First shot is good for JP. 28-26. Second shot is also good. 1-point lead for YPDL. Very close game. 6
Ana, yun ba?
minutes to go
Something.
in the third quarter. Yep.
3 seconds!
To Joel to Aldrin. Way out for 3, short. Rebounds to Raymond. For 3, good. Then rebound by Randall. Back to Raymond. Raymond drives to the basket. Pass to Judy. Once again, recovered by Aris. Outlet to Brooke. Brooke 3 against 1. Yes. Using the glass for 2. 3-point lead, 30-27. Rommel. Substitution. 5 minutes, substitution. Let's go. For 4:15 remaining, 3-point lead for YPDL. Yoke to Ivory. Guarded by Jeffrey. He got down by 54, Jeboy. Second personnel on Jeboy, 30 foul on Chet. 2 shots for Ivory. Unang basket, pasok. Short, Romel, rebounds it. Stealing by Ivory. To EJ, yes. Assist from Ivory, 2 points for EJ. 6-point lead, 33-27, Jumbo for 3. Yes! Back to a 3-point lead, 33-30. 3 minutes, 25 remaining in the third quarter. EJ versus Sayang. Foul on Jeboy, that's his third personal. 14 foul on Chet Belmar. Yoke for 2. First basket for York is good. 34-30. Apat po ang kalamangan ng YTDL. Strong on the second. Rebounded by Jiffy. Jiffy to Jeffboy. Oh, what a steal by Matt. Oh, no. Ako ba? Okay, sabi ko. Nag-school na lang sa sabi ko. Short! Jiffy with the rebound, but fouled by Matt. 13 foul. Second personal on Matt. Jeffboy lays it up. Nope. Roman rebound, but he got fouled by number 17, BJ. 2 shots for Romel. The score is 34-30. 4-point lead by PBL. 2 shots. Romel.
Grabe mo cardio. Si EJ. Pero pag abot, dire ka po yan.
Net on the first.
Ang back mo magugulog.
And then, ano to Oh. Second is also good. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan. 34-30. 1 minute 30 remaining in the third quarter. Nope, jumper, nope. Jiffy, power rebound. John to Romel. Romel against Romel. Jeffboy, steal by Matt. Matt to York, raise it up, yes. Power good by York. 36-32, out the lead. Ball remains with Chet. 55 seconds to go in the third quarter. 36-32. Jeffboy versus Idol. Jiffy. Idol rebounds it. Double B for Idol. Recovered by Matt.
Tira, EJ! Tira! Tira!
35 seconds remaining. Foul by number 73. Is that right?
Akala ko titira ng 3 points si EJ.
Jiffy. Second personal on Jiffy. 15 foul on Chet. 10 seconds remaining.
Nagtatry hard yan all 3 points.
First goal for EJ is good.
Improve na na si EJ. Kumpara sa una.
And we can do the substitution. Open substitution in the fourth quarter. 24 seconds. Shot clock is on. Only one free throw for EJ. Score is 37-32. 5-point lead for YTDL. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball, yes.
Mayroon na, limara.
We have the 24-second shot clock. Alvin. Jiffy rebounds. Raymond for 3, shot. Rebound. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Arnell. Rebound and follow-up 2. 39-32 to the ball. Ryan drives, gets his 2 points. 39-34. 9 minutes to go. 15-second shot clock. Yes. Alvin for 2. Third personal on Aris. First team foul on YPBL. Bonus shot for Ryan, 41-36. Lima po ang kalamangan ng YPBL. No good. Alfred rebound. Alfred. Joel for three. Strong. Alfred with the rebound. Oh, follow up in the goal. Jeffrey from Charles Abed. The Raymond. To Jeffrey. Jeffrey back to Raymond. Raymond decides to pass it to Joel. To Ryan. To Ryan. Ryan. 8 seconds to go. Shot clock. 3 seconds. 2.2 seconds.
Live yung bulan.
2.2 seconds. Jumper by Ryan. Short. Continue. Arnel. To Joel. To EJ. I will. Waiting for Jiffy. Oh, sayang. Jiffy. Rebound. 2-on-1. To Jeffo using the pass. To assist from Raven. 31-38. Takbo po ang kalamangan ng YPBL. 7 minutes to go. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. I will. Assist from Alvin. 43-38. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Chapo escapes for two. 33-30. Paganda ng laro.
Depensa!
15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. I will. We got fouled by 57. Wyatt.
Sub Wyatt!
That's the second team foul. Second personal on Wyatt. 5 minutes, 55 remaining. Back to Alvin for three. No. Ryan, power rebound to Chiku. Chiku side steps, lays it up. Yes. 43-42. Isa na lang, 1.3. 5 minutes and 30 remaining. 15-second shot clock. Almost a steal. 10 seconds. Matt jumper. Left from the rebound. Top 3 steps. I will. 15-second shot clock. Runner. To the steal. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes. EJ lets it go. It's blue ball. Laban. 4 minutes, 40 remaining. 1-point lead for YPBL. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. EJ, big shot, no good. Matt overshoots it. Nick for 2, 45-43. 4 minutes to go. 3-point lead for YPBL. 10 second shot clock. Chippy. Reset. Rebound by Robert. Check on. It's a 5-ball game. 42. 73, Jinkies. Third personal. Third team foul on Chet Delmar, who shots for Al Green.
Hurry up.
Take your time.
Starting on the first.
Box out! Box out! Box out!
On the 3 minutes to go in the third, in the ball game.
Hey, quick! Box out! Box out!
Wala.
Yes, the second basket is good. 46, 45. 2:40 remaining. Raymond pressured by Yoke. Steal by Yoke. Yoke, no good. Foul off Alvin. Rebound and 2 points for Alvin. It's now a 3-point lead for Montreal with 2 minutes 20 remaining. Pressure on Rama. Check almost. Rebound by Yama. Ryan, rebound. Foul on Aldrin. First personnel on Aldrin. Second team foul. Second team foul. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 2 shots by Ryan. First basket for Ryan is good. 48, 46.
Out!
48, 47. 1 point lead. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. With the rebound. Rama to Raymond. Back to Rama. Blue ball. 1 minute 27.
Look, may bola look.
It's a close game. Very close game. 15-second shot clock. Rommel got fouled by Rommel. First personal on Rommel, 15 foul. First free throw by Arnold is good. Second free throw is good. 47. 1 minute 12 seconds remaining. Jimmy, the one out for 3. Net. Igo controls it. 87 seconds. First time out. Right? One time out for check. Okay. Time out. Three. Only 2. We have 2 fouls here.
Boom open!
One screen.
2 fouls fouls again? That's your question, right? Jepo, start the clock.
Play defense.
15-second shot clock. Ryan. Jumper low, short. Rebound by Aldrin. All the way. But it was stopped by 27.6. Timeout, Blue. That's their first timeout. Thirty-seven point six remaining. 21 seconds in the shot clock. 50-47. Check Delmar, ready penalty. 2,000 good for RDDL. One timeout each. Penalty.
No foul, no foul!
15-second shot clock.
Diretso na! Ganun ipasa.
Oh, get to the steal.